Hi guys, welcome to my new show, a new cooking show that we planned for so long and finally we're here. Our first dish tonight, it's a kind of quick dinners, will be pasta Navy style. This is a Russian dish that is pretty easy to make. You will need some beef or chicken if you want, onions, you can add garlic, we can add it before or after, I will show you. Definitely need any type of pasta. Today I will add some diced tomatoes and any spices of your choice. Today I'm gonna be using paprika. Then I have vegeta. This is kind of Eastern European, I guess, seasoning that we're using. Then some cumin and Italian seasoning. Just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm not a professional cook and I'm not trying to be. So please, no judgment. I cook for my family. They love my dishes. My friends love it. So this is how we actually start the show, because I'm a working mom. I have 4 kids. My family doesn't like leftovers. So basically we're cooking every day. And here we go. Okay, we're gonna start. I already started boiling some pasta. It's gonna be ready, and now we're gonna grind the beef. You can buy the already done meat in the store, but we have grinder at home, so I will do it. Okay, so the meat is done. Here is how it looks like. I actually add some onions while I was grinding, but you don't have to. You can actually chop it very small pieces and then fry it first and then the meat, but my kids doesn't like big pieces of onion, so usually I process it together. So here we go. We're gonna fry the meat. It actually starts smelling right away when it's because it's onions in there. Here is the little history behind this dish. It used to be, they call it pasta Navy style because of back in Soviet Union, Marines used to eat that type of food. They used to cook for them since it's very simple dish to make. The only thing they used to have meat in a can instead of fresh grinded meat. So our pasta is almost ready. The meat is keep cooking. We're gonna let it fry a little bit longer. So our meat is almost done. It's fried. The way you don't overcook it. Then pasta is ready. So now we're gonna add some tomatoes. You can add fresh tomatoes. I use the one from the can. They actually have the taste. They give you some little bit of sauce. And then we're gonna add some spices. So I'm gonna add a little bit of vegeta. It's kind of similar to, the Goya one. They have something like this, or whatever that you like to use. So also we're gonna add some paprika, a little bit of cumin, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. And we're gonna give it another 5 minutes to cook. So we're gonna take our pasta that you actually got the water out, right? You're gonna just add it to the meat. You mix it all together. We're gonna add our basil. And then we're gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you like. I like mozzarella cheese. For this one, my husband likes Parmesan, so I need to put a little bit of Parmesan on top of it a little bit later. And we're gonna keep it for another couple of minutes under the cover. So, and basically this is it. You can add a little bit of Parmesan on top. My husband likes it, I'm not really. That's why we're gonna put a little bit. You can put more if you like it. And this is it. Thank you so much for spending half an hour with us, and have a great night. Bye.